Hey, it's Deebo again, talking about the Batwing. Now this is something that I threw together. Never bought any of the actual Batwings because they're all just so big. Um, and I wanted something smaller and more compact to fit in my Bat hangar area, which is like 30 studs wide. So it had to be smaller, and it couldn't be a compromise where the wings would fold up. But as you can see here, sitting in the hangar so long, it's attracted the attention of Superman and the Riddler, who is dressed as a clone trooper, just because he likes to keep people guessing. But I'll get those guys out of here right now so we can take a closer look here at the thing itself. And it's, like I say, it's low. From the underside here, you can see there's a little bit of tube showing, but that's okay because it's all uniform, the same color. You even got some sleek curve action going on underneath there. So that, I mean, honestly, if you wanted to, this thing could probably work on water too. I mean, it's Batman. You know, whatever he says goes. Just like the wing area here, you could probably guess that there would be some kind of launchable nets, rocket launchers, gas launchers, all kinds of grappling hooks and whatnot. You know how Batman do it. But looking here at the engines, we have two main ones there in the back. We also have 4 small thrusters, 2 each on each wing. And from the top here, you can see we got that classic bat silhouette. So that if this thing were to, go in front of the moon, things would be looking all right. But yeah, just had so many black slopes sitting around, I could never justify buying an actual Batwing. Plus, I mean, the wings to fit where it's got to go would have to fold up and be just too much. But let's take a look at the cockpit here before we put this away. And to get a good look at the instrument panel, we'll take off the front glass there for the cockpit. And you can see a center cluster of 3 consoles, also with 1 console on each side there. And yeah, the one in the center is of the Batboat, because it was a console sticker that I had. But you can see the cushions there for the seat. Enough room so he can fit in there without the cape wrinkling, because, it's Batman, and if his cape's wrinkling, he's got to stop everything and iron it out. Thanks for checking everything out. This is the last of my small mock videos for a little bit here. After this, I'm going to be changing gears. We're going to be looking more at sets. Specifically, the next one is going to be a modified set. And check out some of the other things I'm going to be building, some architecture sets, and examine in close some buildings from the city.